Hello, my friends. This is Mr. Magno, your host. Welcome to another lesson for math. This is lesson 7, and let's read the instructions, which is the first thing that we always should do when we are doing math. Complete the chart. Okay, I see the chart. The chart is right below it here. This is the chart. Then plot the points on the coordinate plane. Oh, that should be simple. Okay, so let me demonstrate to you how this is done. So they already gave us the coordinates. The coordinates are the numbers that represent x and y. So x is 0 here, and y is 0. So they put them together. These are the coordinates, and that's exactly what we need to do. So on the next row, 2 is x and 3 is y. So I'm going to write the coordinates and do parentheses. 2 is x and 3 is what is the word 3 is y. Okay, that's as simple as that is. So I'm gonna go to the next line. The next line says that x is 4 and y is 5. Okay, so here we go. X is 4 comma and y is 5 and parentheses. Place it on the right row and column. The next one should be x is 6 and y is 7. Okay, let me get my equation tool. I open parentheses and x is 7, comma, no, 6 and y is 7. Simple. And we're going to align it. Now, so we actually did the first step, which says complete the chart. So we did that. So now we have to plot the points. And plotting means we have to put them on the number line. So let me see. I think I'm going to use a circle and make it a little thick so it becomes like a dot. Okay, so now I'm going to do the first set of coordinates, and I'm going to plot them in the coordinate plane. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to do is 0 and 1. So I'm going to grab my circle dot. So x is 0, which is right here where I'm pointing, and y is 1. So y should be, let me undo that. Y is right here. That will be 1 right there. So that's the first point. All right, and I think I'm going to make that a little thicker so it's just a little dot. So that's the first point right here. Oh, wait, that didn't work. That made it bigger. Okay, so let me make it 10. All right, so this is where it is. Okay, right here. Oh, it didn't. So let me see. No, I think I'm going to get rid of that. I'm just gonna use a dot and with my tool. So here is the first point. Okay, now the next one is going to be x is 2 and y is 3. So x is 2. So I'm going to go to 2 and then go up until I find 3, and 3 would be right here. So here is the point right here. There. That will be 2 as x and 3 as y. Now, our next one would be x is 4, so I'm going to go to 4, and y is 5. So 4 is here, and y should be on the top, and there is 5. The 5 is between the 2 and the 6. You can use the line instead of using the pencil. I'm using the pencil. I don't know why. Okay, so then the last one is going to be x is 6. So x is 6. Let me get a shape here. And y is 7. So I'm going to go to 6. Oh, let me undo that and make the line smaller. I think it's 2. Okay, so 6 and 7. So x is 6. So I'm going to go to 6, and that's where x is. And 7 should be between, what is those, 6 and 8. So that will be 7. Okay, now the next request is plot the line points on the coordinate plane. Okay, so we did that already. All right. Now, letter A says, use the straight edge to draw a line connecting these points. We don't have that, but we have wonderful Cami, which you can do a straight line. So that means all they're saying is connecting the points. And what you're going to do is going to connect the points between all this number. So there is the line. All those points create that line. And I forgot to do a little, dot right here. So there you go. Okay, so we answered that. We did that problem. This second one, number 2, is going to be the same exact thing with different numbers. Now we are on number B, and B says, write a rule showing the relationship between X and Y coordinates of points on the line. Okay, so here's what they want you to do. They want us to compare X and Y. So if you look at X right here, let me use my tool. If you see, no, okay, use a pen. I'm going to use a pen. So now, if you compare 1 and X and Y, Y is 1 more than X because X is 0. And on this second one as well, 2X is 3 and Y, X is 2 and Y is 3. So the result is that 3, which is X, is 1 more than, Y is 1 more than X. So the rule, it looks like the rule is going to be that Y is 1 more than X. Let's check the next one. X is 4 and Y is 5. Is 5 1 more than, is Y, which is 5, 1 more than 4, which is X? And the answer is yes. So the rule applies. Okay, now let's look at the last one to make sure that the rule is true. It's Y, 7, 1 more than X, which is 6. And the answer is yes. So when you answer yes to all those questions, then we have to write the answer. Okay, the answer will be, where is it? Write the rule. So we're going to write the rule here. And the rule is that X is 1, Y is 1 more than X. So the rule is that Y is 1 more than X. Okay. Moving on. The next question is, name 2 other points that are on this line. Oh, that should be easy. So now I'm going to use a different color to demonstrate this. So we're going to name 2 other numbers that are on this line, 2 other coordinates. And we can do, for example, if you go in here, this one can be X is 3 and Y is 4. So that will be another point on the line. And we're going to write now the information here. So the information is that X is 3. Did we say 3? Yes, 3. And let me see, parentheses, X is 3, Y is 4. And that follows the rule as well. It's Y is more than X. Okay, so let's find another point on that line. And that could be somewhere on the top. It can be anywhere on the line. It can be, for example, up here. Look, it's 8. X is 8. And Y is going to be 1 more. That will be 9. So that there is the other point. So there are many points on one line, but we're only finding a few. We don't need to find them all. So now we can write that when X is 8, Y is 9. Okay, my friends, this is how you do this assignment. You're going to actually do this one, which is very similar. And I'm going to make another video to explain this one right here on the bottom. Okay, my friends, signing out, your coach, Mr. Magno, wishing you the best as a mathematician.